Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Toccoa long distance movers near me. A long distance move is more than 50 miles from your current location. Long distance relocation can be intrastate or interstate. Interstate moves happen within a single state, while interstate moves happen outside the state. Our interstate and intrastate moves are fast and efficient. We work with federal and state officials that regulate relocation. They have given us a valid pass to transport your belongings across different states. Your belongings are also protected due to our registration with these authorities. Also, we have put in place several insurance plans to ensure that your interests are protected. Our movers and drivers are careful with your belongings and operate promptly, and they ensure that the success and safety of transporting your belongings to your new address. If you are moving within a distance of fewer than 50 miles, it is a local relocation. Three Movers offers exceptional local moves. We are the most reputable local movers in Toccoa, Georgia. We are also conversant with the road networks in the city, so we know our way around. Our movers are dedicated to the smooth execution of your move. In addition, our local movers are the cheapest you can get anywhere. We charge around $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Toccoa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.